Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to form a company in the Cayman Islands. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner looking to establish a company in one of the world's most sought-after jurisdictions, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of company formation, uncovering the benefits, regulations, and expert tips to ensure a smooth and successful incorporation in the Cayman Islands. Let's dive in. Don't miss out on the latest updates about offshore companies and tax-free jurisdictions. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel now and stay informed about the most advantageous opportunities for your business. Let's understand why the Cayman Islands is the best country for your company formation. There is no tax in the Cayman Islands. One of the primary reasons for choosing the Cayman Islands for company formation is its tax-friendly environment. The jurisdiction does not impose a corporate income tax, capital gains tax, or withholding tax. This allows companies to conduct international business without being burdened by heavy tax liabilities. Privacy and confidentiality. The Cayman Islands maintains a strong commitment to privacy and confidentiality. Company directors, shareholders, and beneficial owners can remain anonymous, as the register of directors and shareholders is not available for public inspection. This level of privacy is appealing to entrepreneurs seeking to protect their identities and assets. Business-friendly regulations. The Cayman Islands offers a flexible and business-friendly regulatory environment. The incorporation process is straightforward and efficient, allowing for a quick setup of the company. Moreover, there are no residency requirements for company directors, making it easy for foreign entrepreneurs to manage their businesses remotely. Political and economic stability. The Cayman Islands is a British overseas territory with a stable political system and a well-developed legal framework based on English common law. This stability contributes to a secure business environment, attracting both investors and businesses seeking a reliable jurisdiction for company formation. No minimum capital requirements. The Cayman Islands does not impose any minimum capital requirements for company formation. Entrepreneurs can set up a company with minimal capital, allowing for a more cost-effective and efficient process. That being said, let's dive into the actual process that is to be followed in order to incorporate your company in the Cayman Islands. Step 1. Check name availability. Start by conducting a name search on the Cayman Islands Companies Registrar's official website to ensure your preferred company name is available for registration. Avoid names that could cause trademark or copyright issues and make sure it complies with naming standards. The name reservation process is a necessary step to acquire the rights to your selected name for up to 90 to 120 days. Once the name has been successfully reserved, you can safely proceed with the incorporation procedure. Vepapu can help with your name reservation process. Step 2. Choose your company structure. Select the most suitable company structure based on your business needs and future goals. Options include exempt companies, limited liability companies, LLCs, resident firms, companies in special economic zones, and limited partnerships. Exempted company. An exempted company in the Cayman Islands is a preferred choice for businesses with minimal local activity and a focus on global operations. With tax exemptions and a focus on international activities, an exempted company offers a tax-efficient structure for businesses conducting operations outside the Cayman Islands. Limited liability company, LLC, for entrepreneurs seeking to operate their business mainly outside the Cayman Islands or internationally. Forming an LLC provides personal liability protection for shareholders. This flexible structure allows the LLC to benefit from legal personality while providing investors with security from being held personally responsible for the company's debts and liabilities. Resident company. A resident company in the Cayman Islands is authorized to conduct business locally, making it a suitable choice for enterprises looking to establish a presence and serve the Cayman Islands region. As a resident corporation, it must maintain a public record of membership registers and submit annual reports to the registrar, promoting transparency and compliance with local regulations. Step 3. Appoint a local registered agent. Appointing a local registered agent is a mandatory and critical step in the Cayman Islands company formation process. The registered agent acts as the company's representative and is physically present in the Cayman Islands, ensuring compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. By designating a registered agent, businesses demonstrate a genuine presence in the jurisdiction, receive legal correspondence at a registered office address, and benefit from expert guidance on corporate governance and compliance matters. Step 4. Use a nominee director to protect your privacy. You can opt to use a nominee director to enhance privacy and confidentiality in business ownership. By appointing a nominee director, the real owner or beneficial owner can remain undisclosed, providing an additional layer of security. The nominee director serves as the legal representative of the company, carrying out statutory and administrative duties while following the instructions of the beneficial owner, ensuring complete control remains with the owner. Step 5. Prepare and file the documents. The process of forming a company in the Cayman Islands continues with the preparation and filing of necessary documents with the company's registry. These documents typically include the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association, containing essential details about the company's name, objectives, shareholders, and share capital. Once these documents are accurately prepared and reviewed, they are submitted to the Cayman Islands Company's registrar for approval, and upon acceptance, the company is issued a certificate of incorporation, confirming its legal recognition in the jurisdiction. Step 6. Approach banks for a bank account. After successfully forming a company in the Cayman Islands, the next crucial step is to approach banks for opening a bank account. Entrepreneurs must research and choose reputable banks that align with their business needs, and then meet with bank personnel to discuss their requirements and undergo due diligence exercises to comply with anti-money laundering and know your customer regulations. Once the account is approved, businesses can efficiently manage their funds, conduct international transactions, and maintain a strong working relationship with the chosen bank. We made a separate video on banking for Cayman Islands companies, so be sure to check it out on your channel. That sums up the procedure of forming your own company in the Cayman Islands. We hope you will have a smooth journey. At Vepapu, we are committed to being your reliable partner throughout your entire journey of Cayman Islands company formation and complete management. From the very beginning, we simplify the complex process of company formation, guiding you through each step, whether it's checking name availability, choosing the right company structure, or appointing a local registered agent. Our team of experts ensures a hassle-free experience by providing expert advice and ensuring compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements. But our support doesn't stop there. With Vepapu, you gain access to a comprehensive suite of management services that cater to all your ongoing needs. We handle annual filings and financial reporting, ensuring your company maintains its good standing with the authorities. If privacy and confidentiality are essential, our nominee director services can help you protect your identity while retaining full control of your company. Additionally, we assist in opening a bank account with reputable financial institutions in the Cayman Islands, simplifying the process and ensuring you have the right banking solution for your business needs. Throughout your journey, Vepapu is dedicated to providing top-notch service, expert guidance, and personalized solutions, empowering you to focus on growing your business while we take care of the rest. With Vepapu as your partner, you can navigate the complexities of company formation and management with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable and experienced team by your side. Don't miss out on the latest updates about offshore companies and tax-free jurisdictions. Like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel now and stay informed about the most advantageous opportunities for your business.